Hello, good morning. This is Bernie Del Rosario. I just had my morning Abhyanga and Shirodhara and also my steam bath. So it was about 90 minutes long and it was very relaxing. I felt so good actually. I fell asleep, an indication that I really got so rested like that. And right now I was just resting before leaving because I felt that a layer of fatigue has left my system. It's just like a snake that has removed its old skin. That's the feeling I have. I'm not a snake, but it's more like an analogy to just explain how I feel. And I would recommend it. This is just a one-day thing before I head home back to the USA, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. I wish I had the time to do a longer version, 14 days or 21-day Panchakarma, but maybe next time around.